If the washing machine is showing error 5 on the panel, then the following may be reasons for the error: low water temperature, low voltage, and overloading in the machine. If the water temperature is below the recommended temperature, it will take longer time than the programmed time. In this case, the software will automatically show the error. This is not a technical error and the customer must be educated about the same. If the power supply is inadequate and overloading is done, the machine will take more time to heat the water. In this case, error 5 will be displayed on the LCD of the machine. But this is not a technical fault in the machine and the customer must be educated about the same properly. But if the above parameters are okay and error 5 is still being displayed, then check the input supply and the continuity on the heater. If input supply is available on the heater, but continuity is not there, the heater is faulty. Replace the heater.